Lot 162, the 1970 Maserati Ghibli 4.7 Spyder, from the esteemed collection of Bill Warner, chairman of the Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance, whom we met earlier. This is one of the very best examples in the world. Original engine, well restored, featured in a Hollywood film, and with only 2 owners from new. As Bill said, the exhaust note will impress even the most jaded aficionado. The 1970 Maserati Ghibli.
Thank you very much, Alan. Very, very well described, ladies and gentlemen. Very elegant, a beautiful car, the Maserati Ghibli Spyder. I'm going to open the bidding here. What should we say? $300,000 to start me. 300. Opening bid up there. She comes up on stage, beautifully presented. Listen to that engine purr at 300,000. Thank you, sir. 300. I've taken 350, perhaps. 350. 350. Thank you, sir. 350,000 comes from a good home as well. At 350,000, $400,000. Thank you. At 450, if you like, sir. We're at 400,000. Would you bid me 450,000? Thank you. 450,000 I have, and now $500,000. At $450,000, do I have $500,000? Anyone in the room? $500,000. Thank you. At $500,000, would you bid me 550 now? At 550, 550. Thank you. At 550, 600,000 if you like, sir. $600,000 I have. At 600,000 now I have. At 600, do I have 650? At $600,000, do I have any bets? At $600,000, 650 anyone now? Bids here, seated, front row. At $600,000 now. There are any bets at $625. Thank you. $625,000. 650 now, if you like. At have some thinking time. At $625,000, then the bids with you, sir. I've got you at $700,000. 725 for either of you gentlemen. At $700,000, do I have 725? You look so disappointed. It's already left you. Look. At $700,000, do I have any advance? At $700,000. Are we all done? All finished. 725. Thank you. 725. At 725, do I have 750 now? 750. Oh, don't put your gutter pedal down. That's a bad sign. At 725, then on my left, I'm selling the car, of course, at $725,000. Then, if we're all done here and here at $725,000, it's going for the first time. Are you sure you're done, sir? At just $725,000, I've got to sell the car. It's going for the second time. Such a stunning car. If we're all done and all finished at just $725,000, then are you sure? I'm selling. Make no mistake. Last chance at $725,000. Then all done, all finished. Sold your car. Well done. Congratulations. 4012, $725,000.